Hi there, so welcome back to part 2 of our character session of sketching graffiti characters. So the first session showed you how we did our little spray can man, which you can see here. If you've not seen that, go check out part 1. What we're going to do is just look at how you can add different types of expression, facial expression, to your characters that you put on the paper, to your little spray can men or women. So giving them different expressions. So obviously for this workshop you're going to need, or this lesson, you're going to need paper, pencil, a rubber and a pen. So the first character, we're going to look at angry. Now the eyes are always amazing because we can read a person by looking at their eyes, that's what they say. Now this spray can, he's not very happy, he's a bit angry, and you'll notice that people who are angry, their eyebrows and their eyes, they change shape, they don't look very happy. And what we've got here is our spray can man with his eyes centered in the middle there. He's not looking very amused. Okay, and then the eyebrows, they would be sort of down here, showing that they're not very pleased. And then of course the mouth, they might have a bit of a grumpy looking kind of expression here, but it's this bit here that would give it away. So the next one, let's have a look. Maybe we'll give this one a bit of a surprise look. Now the eyes, you'll notice that someone who's surprised, their eyes seem to go bigger, so the eyelids go back, and you see the pupils, they stand out quite a bit. So, and his eyebrows, well, they wouldn't be low down, they'd be quite raised, they'd be quite high up. And his mouth, well, in this case, he's definitely looking surprised. The third one, I thought maybe we could do, maybe this one could be laughing. So when people laugh, normally their mouth goes wider, the eyes shut, don't they? They do like these little curves like this, but you'll notice they kind of bunch up, and their eyebrows, again, they're quite raised, and the mouth would be quite wide, as if you definitely see back of the mouth there, the tongue. Possibly, if you want, with your characters you can add teeth if you like. Not that spray cans have teeth, but if you want to add them, you can. And there's our laughing spray can. Sometimes they do these little cartoon lines to make it look like there's a little bit of movement, and they're laughing so hard. Look, there we are. This one's crying with laughter. And remember the last session, the last tutorial, showed you how to do drips. You start with them at the point, and they come round as if the tears or the water is coming out. Okay, so let's just ink these in and show you what they look like when they're finished. So there's our little spray can men and women. They've got characters. So feel free to have a go, have a try at these yourself. I'll look forward to seeing your results, and as always, stay safe and stay home and get creative. Look forward to catching up with you in the next session.